everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to create a distance visualizer. This project will be able to tell how close an object is, like your hand or a toy, and light up the colorful lights based on how close the object is. Before we start, let's make sure we have all the materials we need for this project. An Arduino Uno, ultrasonic distance sensor, red, yellow, and green LEDs, breadboard, 8 jumper wires and 3 resistors, 220 ohms. Got everything? Great! Let's move on to the assembly. Follow the circuit diagram to make the complete circuit. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time to complete the circuit. Now that we have everything connected, let's move on to programming our project. Open MBlock and create a new project. Make sure to select Arduino Uno as the board. Follow along as I walk you through the programming steps, and feel free to pause the video if you need more time to complete a step. Once you've completed the program, it's time to upload it to the Arduino Uno. Now, let's test our project. Move an object towards the distance sensor, and watch the LEDs light up based on the distance thresholds you've set in the program. Pretty cool, huh? Congratulations! You've successfully completed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting science projects. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.